what are DNR rules for? So DNR, detection and response, but in reality, those are rules that are used for a bunch of different purposes in LimaCharlie. So the basic part of this is to delegate to the cloud some bits of logic. So that's why we've often compared it to things like Cloud Functions or AWS Lambdas. The idea is that you can encapsulate a little bit of logic that can operate at wire speed, and that will either perform an action based on something that it detects, or it'll queue off some other system. So detect something and respond is kind of the primary nature of the DNR rule. So the idea was, if I detect, evil.exe is running, then I want to kill it. But since then, we've really expanded that system to be used almost like a pre-filter of events and selecting interesting ones. So if you've done network analysis in the past, stuff like that, you can think of it a little bit like a BPF filter. Obviously, very, very different technology. But the idea is that, we operate at wire speed, identify some events, take some action. The approach of the discussion today is going to be bottom up. So what I mean by that is we will start by the very basic kind of kernels of logic, how they work in a DNR rule, and then we're going to build up in terms of complexity. And at the end, we're going to talk about the DNR rules kind of at a more of a global level of hey, where is it used in the platform? When should we use them? What would they allow us to do? And some of the more complex cases.